Minnesota Department of Human Services Background Studies. Welcome to this NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System video-based training. This video demonstrates how entities can pay the maltreatment check fee on behalf of the study subject using the electronic payment system. For a written transcript of this video, select Show Transcript from the YouTube menu. For subtitles, select the Closed Captions or Settings button. As a reminder, due to ongoing enhancements to the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System, you may see slight variations between the images captured in this video and the version of the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System you use. For this video, and in the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System, the term entity refers to the agency that submits maltreatment check applications. Now, with the housekeeping out of the way, let's get started. NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System Payment. If your entity is paying the maltreatment check fee on behalf of the study subject, you must pay the fee before the maltreatment check application can be submitted. To pay for the application, hover over the Applications tab on the toolbar and select Pending Payments in the dropdown. Then, select the checkbox in the Pay Now column next to the application you want to pay for. The total amount due is displayed in red on the lower right side of the screen. Select the Pay by Credit Card button. Then, on the Complete Payment screen, select the Complete Payment button on the right side of the screen. The DHS electronic payment system will open in a new browser window. This payment portal is outside of the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System. If you have a user account in the payment portal, enter your username and password here to log into your existing account. This is different from your NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System login credentials. If you have forgotten your username or password for the payment portal, select the Forgot Your User ID or the Forgot Your Password link located next to the username and password fields. Then, follow the instructions on the screen. If you have never created an account for the payment portal, you may register for an account by selecting the Register link and follow the instructions to create a new account. If you choose not to create an account, you may proceed without registering by selecting the Pay Without Registering link. If you proceed without registering, your payment information will not be saved for future use. On the Make a Payment screen, complete all the fields. In the Payment Methods section, you must enter payment information using a MasterCard, Visa, or debit card. For more information about making payments using the payment portal, visit the ePayment Online Help Service by selecting the Help link on the lower right side of the screen. When the payment is successfully processed, you will be routed back to the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System, and the maltreatment check application will move to the Not Yet Submitted queue for you to complete and submit to MNDHS. For more information on how to continue an application from the Not Yet Submitted queue, please refer to the YouTube video Minnesota Maltreatment Check System Resuming and Submitting Maltreatment Checks. Thank you for your interest in this portion of the NETStudy 2.0 Minnesota Maltreatment Check System.
Copyright 2023. State of Minnesota, Department of Human Services. Produced by Minnesota Department of Human Services. 444 Lafayette Road, St. Paul, Minnesota 55155. 651-431-2000. Toll free 800-657-3663. Toll free TTY 800-627-3529. Video phone 651-964-1514. Website https://mn.gov/DHS/. The Minnesota Department of Human Services, DHS, prohibits discrimination in its public services because of race, color, creed, religion, political beliefs, national origin, sex, public assistance status, marital status, age, sexual orientation, or disability. Direct discrimination complaints to the DHS Civil Rights Coordinator at dhs.info@state.mn.us or 651-431-2000. Individuals with disabilities may request reasonable modifications to receive DHS services by contacting its Americans with Disabilities Act coordinator at DHS_ADA@state.mn.us or 651-431-3040.